Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today is the turn of English subject and our topic is look and write of sound A. Are you ready? Let's start. You can see vowel E. Now I will show you some pictures and you have to tell me the name. What is this? This is jet. Very good. Now next. What is this? Ten. What is this? Ten. That is T-E-N. 10. Okay. Next. This is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. Good. This is a pen. P-E-N. Pen. Next, what is this? Den. D-E-N. Den. Den means gufa. What is this? Net. N-E-T. Net. ये जाल है. जाल means net. Jet. Next, ten. Han. Den. Pen. And net. So let's start. Look and write vowel E. What is this? I told you 10. How we will write 10? T-E-N. T-E-N. 10. Next. Tell me, what is this? Hen. Yes. H-E-N. H-E-N. Hen. Next, what is this? Pen. P-E-N. P-E-N. Pen. Now, this is net. N-E-T. N-E-T. Net. I told you, what's this? Jet. J-E-T. J-E-T. Jet. Let's recap once again. T-E-N. 10. H-E-N. Hen. P-E-N. Pen. N-E-T. Net. J-E-T. Jet. Now we will underline the vowel, that is E. T-E-N. 10. H-E-N. Hen. P-E-N. Pen. N-E-T. Net. And G-E-T. Jet. Now, my dear kids, do this work in your English notebook, learn it and send me your pics. Okay? Thank you.